Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to write the perfect YouTube description for your video. So if you're a new YouTuber and want to get the best YouTube description for your video, then this video is the right video for you, as I will be showing you how I do this with free tools that you can find anywhere online. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to use free tools to write a YouTube description that is keyword optimized, has a timestamp, description, previous videos, playlist, relevant hashtag, follow us on social media, and with a donation. There are so many free tools that you can use to do this. You can use tools such as ChatGPT, Notion AI, and you can also get an in-browser application with Bing. So you're not restricted on any of the tools here to use to help you create the perfect YouTube description for your video. Now, the first thing I would recommend to do is to get the name of the video you want to write a description for. So once you have this, you can use any of the tools which I have suggested earlier. But I'm going to be using ChatGPT because there is this Chrome extension which I love to use, which is AIPRM for ChatGPT. You can find this online by going to Google Chrome Store and searching for AIPRM. Here you'll find the Chrome extension. Click on this and then you'll be able to add it to your Chrome browser. So once you have it installed, you're going to find different templates across anything that you want to do online. To use the template I use for creating that video description on YouTube, come here and search for killer. Scroll down to the section line, and you're going to see create a killer YouTube description timestamp in just 1 minute. There is no particular order to which this is arranged. You can always search for killer YouTube description. Now click on this, and here you can paste the title of your video. So we have the title, how to add donation button on YouTube, and then send. So immediately ChatGPT is going to help you come up with a draft and or a template that you can use in your video description. So it starts with thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more great content like this. Video description. Learn how to easily add a donation button to your YouTube channel in this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're a content creator, non-profit organization, or just want to support a cause, we've got you covered. Unlock the potential for more donation and engagement on your channel. Check our previous videos so you can replace all of this with your video links. Relevant hashtag is going to help you generate a list of relevant hashtags, and it's also going to help you arrange it properly. So we do have timestamp in this section. Follow us on social media. It's a section for you to input a social media link, and then a support us section where if you found this tutorial helpful and would like to support us, you can buy us a coffee here with your pay link. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to write the perfect YouTube description for your video. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content and have that post notification bell turned on. Don't forget to share and like this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.